We recently released link actions in our new email designer. Link actions allow you to track contact interactions in your emails and take actions based on their interests and interactions in your future campaigns. You can add link actions to text, buttons, or images within an email. ActiveCampaign offers over 200 design template options for our new email designer. Today, I will begin by using a Thanksgiving template since the holiday is quickly approaching. I'm going to show you how to add a link action to a new email campaign. Let's add a link action to this Learn More button. I'll start by clicking on the button block, then go to the right-hand side toolbar. Next, I'll click into the site field to enter in my website using my landing page link. Now, I can see the option to add a campaign action below. Upon selecting, there will be a pop-up displaying the available actions in the drop-down. There are options to add or remove a tag, subscribe or unsubscribe to a list, or add to or end an automation. Let's add the tag Holiday to indicate that this customer is an ideal candidate for our holiday campaign newsletter. I could also add another link action and add them to a holiday list, so it will be easier to contact them later on, but I'll just stay with the one tag for now. I can access and edit the tag from the right-hand sidebar. I can also delete this tag if I no longer want the link action. You can add as many link actions as you like. Let's go to our campaign summary page and confirm that link tracking is turned on. Link tracking will need to be turned on in order for link actions to work. Alright, now that we've confirmed link tracking is turned on, we're good to go ahead and send our campaign.